Me now, na me.
Oh.
Na me. How far? Wetin dey sup? Which one be you? I no understand. Wetin dey happen now? I no understand. Which one be say kasala dey? What happened?
The girl don't run. But as she dey run, we dey pursue and dey shoot am. Bullet no dey enter.
What do you mean the girl don't run? Someone that is under your watch, you both watch. How did she manage to escape?
Without due respect, I don't know how she managed to escape from us. I'm sorry.
Sorry for your miserable life. Sorry for your useless selves. You both promised me that you will execute this job perfectly. So how did she manage to run out?
Don't worry. We will track her down. Just give us time.
I should give you time. Do you think I have all the time in this world to give you? I want that girl out of my way. That is what I want. What kind of stupid... I don't even understand. What is wrong with you both?
Trust me, she can never escape from us this time. Just trust me.
I should trust you.
Yes.
The one I trust you, what happened? She escaped. She escaped and you're telling me to trust you. If I come back here, I did not find that girl here. You will not like what I will do to you both. Rubbish. Can you imagine?
Dolly, yes, please, you take her to school and you bring her back.
Oh, that's fine.
Okay.
Daddy, why are you not coming to pick me?
I need to rush to the office. I have something to take care of.
Don't worry. I'll drop you off at school and I'll pick you back, okay?
See you.
Actually, I'm here to see you concerning our last discussion. It's about Immaculate. I love Immaculate so much and I would like you to please allow me to marry her. I love her.
Are you done?
What do you mean if I'm done?
Are you done talking?
Listen, Frank, you know how important this is. And that is why I'm here to plead with you to please allow me to marry Immaculate. I love her so much.
Leave my house. If you're done talking, leave my house. If I say it again, I'll get you arrested. Get out of my house.
What do you mean I should get out of your house?
Leave my compound now.
Frank, do not take my gentleness for cowardice. Because I'll stop at nothing but to make sure that I get my beloved back.
John, open the gate for me.
Immaculate, we promised each other marriage. And here you are now. I'm not going to let this man take you away from me. That I promise.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Victor, Frank called me a madman because of my own woman. I will make sure that wedding never takes place.
What are you even saying? You keep committing yourself to a girl that her heart belongs to another man. What are you dragging at? What are you fighting at?
Immaculate doesn't belong to anybody. She is my woman. She's the woman that I'll fall head over heels in love with over and over again. She's everything and more that I ever wanted in a woman. We promised to marry each other. And so shall it be.
Shadrach, listen to me. You knew her 4 years ago. Things have changed. You both lost contact. What are you expecting? She should sit there and wait for you? No! She had to move on. Do the same.
Victor, let me ask you. On whose side are you on? I thought you were my friend.
Oh, I see.
Frank must have bribed you.
That is it! Frank has bribed you. Listen, nobody bribed me. When I see a fight you can't win, I will tell you. You are my friend. It's a lost battle. You can't win her.
Who is telling you that?
I have lost.
I'm a lion. You know what that means? I will not let another man take away my woman from me. Never.
Do you want my advice? I will advise you leave that girl alone and focus on your girlfriend. Leave that girl alone. Don't you love your girlfriend?
You're saying rubbish. I'm here talking about my own immaculate. And you're talking about that prostitute called Rita. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Listen, I'll prove to all of you, especially Frank, that I am the man even with his wealth. I will show him that I am the man.
Don't say I didn't warn you. Please, I plead to take my leave. Have a good day.
You all can go to hell! I don't care. No man will take my woman away from me.
I don't understand this. I don't know this woman. When did I take these pictures? When? How? Will I be dating somebody I don't even know? I don't know her. I'm confused. Come in.
Sir, good morning, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir. Sir, breakfast is served.
Alright, so I'll be coming down shortly.
Okay, sir.
What about my daughter? Is she ready for school?
Yes, sir, she is.
I don't know this woman.
Tony, you think you can mess with me? Get away with it? Never! She got me pregnant. And I almost died trying to abort it. Now you want to move over to my sister? I mean, who does that? Do you want to marry my own sister? Never. Never. I won't let you succeed. Tony, I won't let you embarrass me before the entire world. I will do whatever it takes to make sure I see you on your knees begging me. No way. That is not going to happen. Come in!
Chantal? You started drinking this morning. What for?
Have you too changed your mind?
Your father is waiting for you. He wants to see you.
Chantal Achebe. Nothing will happen to you.
Do not keep your father waiting. Come right away.
Hi. Namarama. No, you are welcome. You are welcome to my house.
Thank you so much, Mama.
What can I offer you?
Nothing, I'm fine. I can see he is not around.
Yes. He went at bed. What can I offer you?
Oh, Mama, please don't worry. I am fine.
Why?
I'm fine. I'm fine. I'll have to be on my way now.
Why? So soon?
Mama, don't worry. I'll come again to visit you. But before I forget, please can I have your number so I can be calling to check on you?
Yes. I'll give you my number. Here's my number. Be calling me.
Okay, Mama, I will. Thank you. I beg to take my leave now. Take care of yourself. Thank you, Mama.
Thank you.
I am glad I collected her number. This is the right time to make use of it.
Chantal, from the depth of my heart, I want to say that I'm really sorry for what happened. You know, we were supposed to see, but I thank God that you succeed or everything that took place.
My sister wants me dead. All because of a man.
No, she can't do that. I know Immaculate very well. As a matter of fact, she can't even afford to hurt an ant. She can't do that.
Really?
Yes.
Is that what you think?
Is what I know.
Oh, stop it. You really do not know my sister. Well, let's not debate on this. Why am I here?
I love Immaculate, your sister, very much. She's everything and more that I've ever wanted in a woman. I mean, she's a lady that any man in his right sense will fall head over heels and love it. I still love her. I want to win her over and I want you to please help me.
How I wish that would be easy and possible.
How do you mean? Please, say.
To win Immaculate over, you must have to go an extra miles. But I warn you, if you must do that, you should not harm my Tony.
When you said that I have to go extra miles, what do you mean?
What a very pleasant surprise. Oh. So you both are meeting. Who knows what you are plotting? Well, Shadrach, I do not care what you are plotting with my sister. I'm here to warn you. Stay away from my husband and I. Whatever we had is now in the past. It is over.
I want you to know that I will make a better husband than Frank. Please, what does he have that I don't have? I will take care of you.
Shadrach, I will not repeat myself. Whatever we had is in the past. It's over now. Know your place. Do you understand me? I don't want anything to do with you. I do not want you in my life. Do you understand? Good.
No, you have to hold it right there. Immaculate, what is the color of your problem? Who the hell do you think you are? Why are you making this whole thing so difficult for all of us? Shadrach wants you. And I want my Tony back. Why not we solve this whole matter here and now? You can have your Shadrach, and I'll have my Tony back.
What a beautiful speech.
Thank you.
The genius have spoken. Thank you. So this is what you both have been plotting. Wow. Chantal, wow. Anyway, like you rightly said, let's end this here and now. So this is my solution. Take Shadrach, marry him, while I remain with my Franklin. There it is. Problem solved. And you know what, sister? Happy married life. Continue. I will say it next time.
Immaculate.
My sister, that's what I've been battling since Chantal came back from the UK. Your parents should call her to order. What kind of rubbish is that? The funny thing is, she never used to be like this. I don't know what has gotten into Chantal. So, what are your plans for the wedding? Plans? Nothing special. We're just prepping, you know, the usual. But everything is on track. And trust me, nothing to be afraid of. Really? Yes, really. And you think your sister would just sit back and fold her hands and watch you with the same man both of you are fighting for? Chica, darling, my sister can go to hell for all I care. Franklin is mine and mine alone. Cheers to that. Immaculate, Chantal is capable of disrupting your marriage. You really need to do something, like fast. Something like what? If possible, in the early hour of that day, get her arrested until after the marriage. What? You want me to arrest my sister? No way, I won't do that. What do you want people to say about me? People to say about you? It's for your own good. Chica, relax. Nothing will happen to me, okay? Take your drink.
What do we call this? Where do we go to look for her?
God, let her sister. She will know her whereabouts.
Dad, you called?
Yes. This is 3 whole days that we have not seen your sister. 3 days that she left this house without telling anybody where she was going.
And her phone is still off. Do you have an idea where she went?
Not exactly, Mom. But I saw her at Shadrach's house the other day. I think about 4 days back.
Shadrach? Who is Shadrach?
The man that claims to be my fiancé.
Then we need to go there and check if she's still there.
Dad, I don't think Chantal is there.
But why would she go to Shadrach's house? What was she doing there when you met her?
I wouldn't know, Mom. I only went to Shadrach's house to warn him to stay away from me. Then I met her there.
It's okay, you give me Shadrach's address. I will go there and check if she's still there.
That's fine, but I don't think she's there. Meanwhile, I'll be traveling with Franklin tomorrow. He says he wants to take me to go see his mother.
It's okay, but before you go, I need Shadrach's address.
Perfect, Dad. I'll send it to you.
All right.
I'll be inside.
Okay.
Relax. Chantal is a big girl. It's fine.
We have been watching this gate for the past 3 days now. Yet, she's not showing up. Are you sure she's still in this place?
Let's be patient. If she does not show up after today, we have to replan.
What do you mean? How?
We will get her phone number, then lure her out.
Guy, at this point, we need to be very careful. Extremely careful.
Sure. Wait.
Set his choke.
Greetings, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine. Please, what brings you to my house? I hope everything is alright.
Yes, all is well. I learned my daughter Shanta was here 4 days ago. And since 3 days now, we have not seen her. I want to know whether she's still in your house.
No, sir. She's not here. Moreover, that day she came to my house was her very last time. She has not come again.
Do you know where she could be?
No, I have no idea, sir.
Please, in case you discover her whereabouts, please inform me, Biko.
Sure, I will.
Okay, I have to leave immediately. Okay? Right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir.
All day.
Yeah. What does it mean that they have not seen Shanta for some days now? What is going on? Let it not be that Shanta is up to... What is going on? Let it not be that Shanta is up to something. I will not let anybody harm my Immaculate. I will not let that happen. What could she be up to?
My daughter, do you ever sleep?
Mama, good morning, ma.
Good morning, my beautiful daughter. You have swept everywhere, including the parlor. Eh?
Mama Biko, it's nothing. As you can see, I am not a lazy woman. It's me, K.
Eh? I know. The other day, when you accompanied me to the farm, I asked you to sit back. You refused. Thank God, though. My son has finally found a good wife.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much, Mama.
Let me go and prepare breakfast so that you eat.
Hey, Mama, no. Ha! Once I'm done with this, I will make the breakfast myself. All I want you to do is go in there, sit down and relax. Let your daughter-in-law take care of you. Mama, I am here for you. Oh?
Hey! Oh! My God, we bless you.
Amen.
You will have good children, handsome boys and beautiful girls.
Amen.
And your marriage will be very, very sweet. Oh?
Amen. Mama, God will give me sons and daughters. I mean, grandchildren from me. Oh, to you.
Hi. My daughter,
Mama.
You have been working since morning you woke up. You've not rested.
Mama, I am fine. Do not worry about me. Oh?
Chai!
If you finish this one, you come inside. Oh? Ibiaki Zoike. Acharam Kamu Chachego.
Okay, Mama. Once I'm done with this, I will come inside. But I hope you enjoyed the food I prepared.
Yes, I did. Otoka. You may see me now. You come. Hey, Ezibonwa. I am very happy that you are my wife.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
I want to ask you something. Why did you tell me not to tell my son that you are here?
Mama, it's really nothing serious. You know, I am here. Mama, don't worry. When I come inside, we'll talk about it. Wine and wine.
So bad, we must talk about that. Oh, yeah, do fast. Oh, do fast. I'm coming. Okay. You see, oh, Mom.
Ah.
Welcome to my village.
This is beautiful. The environment is so natural.
Yeah, very natural. This is where I had my primary and secondary education before I got admission into the university.
This is amazing. It's beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you. So I grew up here. It's just about 20 minutes drive from here to my house.
Wow. Oh, but baby, why didn't you tell your mother we were coming?
No. I want to surprise her.
You and surprises are like 5 and 6. You're so full of them. Oh.
Yeah.
I can just imagine you playing around this place.
The young man said that after the first time she visited, that he has not seen her again.
Are you sure everything is okay with her daughter? Because this is quite unlike her. Her phone is switched off. What is the meaning of this?
After today, if I did not hear anything about her whereabouts, I think I will go to the police station and meet her.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. Madam, good afternoon. Sir, there is this particular car that is always parking before our gate here. There are 2 boys inside. And from my observation as the chief security officer of this place, I think they are mounting watch on this house.
I think I saw the car when I was driving.
That is the car. That is the car, sir. It's still there as I'm talking to you now.
Call the police immediately. Don't waste time.
Wait, if I call the police, let me be sure that the car is still back.
It's there, sir. Let's go.
The car is no longer there.
Oga, I swear, the time I came out here, I saw that car. I saw that car.
They must have suspected you and drove away. But notwithstanding, I will call the DPO to notify him about them. I will not keep quiet.
Okay.
Let's go in.
Yes.
Someone is dying inside every day. Someone is dying inside slowly. Watching my love life drain away. Watching my love life drain away. And we go extra mile. Go extra mile for my love. I must do anything.
Hello, welcome to my home.
Hey, Odogun Mama.
Mama.
Hey, Odogun Mama. Easy, Millie. No.
Yes.
What a surprise visit. You didn't tell me you are coming home.
You know my way, Mama. I wanted to surprise you.
No.
Good afternoon, Mama.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, thank you, Mama.
Mama, my wife to be immaculate, my mother. Yes, please. Hug her very well.
How many wives do you want to marry?
John is how many wives do I want to marry? Did I tell you I'm marrying more than one wife? This is my wife to be, Immaculate.
Your wife has been here since 3 days. And she has been helping me in doing some house chores.
Hey! Obi!
Don't touch me! What are you doing here? What are you doing in my house? Mama, this person is not my wife. I'll arrest her. This is my wife to be.
Hey! No. Mama. No, you not do that. She has been helping me.
My friend, leave here. I said leave this compound. Get out. I don't know you.
Franklin, let's go talk.
Mother, we're not talking anything. I don't know this girl,
You
Mama.
are my son.
Oh! Mother, I don't know this girl. What's all this? He's married by force.
Let's go talk. People.
Chantel, so this is where you've been for 3 days? Dad and Mom has been worried about you? Really?
Are you surprised? Poor thing. Anyways, his mother recognizes me as the only daughter-in-law and not you. So my dear, take your wacky ass out of this compound before
And
you disgrace.
Franklin is a boy that will just listen to every single thing his mother tells him.
Every responsible man pays attention to whatever their mother
You are psychotic. You are sick. You need help. You need a doctor. What is wrong with you?
No, you need a doctor. You've lost. You see, that man over there is my Tony.
There is
And I am not
nothing to
giving up on
lose
him.
or win. He's not a commodity. What is wrong with
Hello, I will fight for the man I love, and that's a period.
Mother, that demon, that woman, I don't know who she is. She's trying to force herself on me. Saying I must marry her and not her sister. Who does that? I don't know her.
Mamo, I understand everything you are saying. But my opinion is that she is a good girl. You needed to see how industrious she is. Can the other girl follow me to the farm? But Chantel followed me to the farm.
Now, what are you saying? Am I marrying Immaculate to become a farmer? What are you saying? You're telling me you understand me. You don't understand anything, Mama. That woman is an impostor. She's a fraudster. She came here, hid in our house, and had been doing whatever with you. Her people are looking for her. Yes. Mama, it's just because of you. If you don't tell that lady to leave this house, I will arrest her.
Banu, Mom, don't arrest anyone. I will test them by myself.
Yeah.
Anyone that suits in for you, you will marry that person.
Mama, it does not work that way. You will not test my wife. I've tested her already. The person I want to marry is Immaculate. I have fixed date for my wedding. What are you saying? I don't know this person. She just came out from nowhere, said her name is Chantel, calling me Tony, saying all sorts of nonsense, saying I impregnated her and I ran away. Rubbish.
So it's not true.
Mama, so you don't believe me? See, I've told you what I want to tell you. The person I'm going to marry is Immaculate. That's the woman you've been speaking with. She is my wife to be. I don't know this other person. Hey. And it stays that way. Please. Excuse me.
So, Chantal is not the woman my son wants to marry. Maybe she has been pretending for me to like her. What happened?
The gateman suspected us, so we had to leave that place.
This is not my agreement with you guys. I want that bitch to go down. I don't care how you do it. Okay? All I want is for her to go down.
Madam, calm down. Calm down. Moku calculate now. If police catch us now, you go run off your phone. So give us time, Moku calculate. No how we go take run the matter now.
I should calm down. I should give you all the time in this world. That girl is out there to take what rightfully belongs to me. Are you telling me to calm down? I should give you more time to do what? I want that girl dead and out of my way.
Consider it done.
That is the thing there. From that place.
Yeah, that agrees, right?
Yeah, it ends. You know,
the land is in a nice area. But you know the problem is the price. I have 40 million naira cash for this place.
But the owner said it's 45 million naira last.
But this is business now. You can get back to the owner and tell him how much I want to offer him for the land. And I want to buy it immediately. I'm not just coming here to price.
Ah.
It's a cash and carry thing now.
But it's 45 million naira.
My brother, what is the difference between 40 and 45 million?
Since you have
seen the place, this thing is situated for that, and it's not even complete.
Since
you have... Officer. Where is? That's the criminal. That's him. This guy. Arrest him.
I don't understand. Arrest me for what? What is going on here?
I don't have time to exchange words with you. Arrest this idiot. Let's go.
Young man, you are under arrest. And I expect you to remain silent, for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law.
Officer, what have I done now? I'm just here talking to my agent here. Arrest me for what now?
Officer,
breach of trust.
Which trust?
Thank you. Why this guy is here? Why is here? Let's go.
Now I don't understand.
Fire you today.
Franklin.
Why is sitting
Go inside, go on the line.
Go inside. Which line? Go, my friend. Go inside, my friend. Which line? Go.
Let's go. Move this idiot.
Franklin.
Oh, fighting. Dragging. This world.
You again. Haven't I warned you to stop coming to my house? What are you doing here?
Who is she?
She's my ex, but she just wouldn't let me be.
Oh.
Rita, get out of my house now.
Get out! You think I am that cheap? Huh? Shadrach, you think I am that cheap? You both will pay for the pains you have caused me.
What is she talking about?
You will pay dearly for it.
Hey! Put that thing away. You could hurt somebody now.
Hey, listen, you little Bobby. Can you just drop that thing and disappear? He just told you to get out.
Put it away.
Save yourself some respect.
You think I'm joking with you? You think I'm here to play with you?
Hey, listen, let me tell you. We do bigger things than this in London, so I'm not scared.
Oh.
Get out.
What? You just shot her.
Hey! You think you're safe too?
What is wrong with you?
You idiot! You fool! Today is your judgment day, Shadrach! I warned you! I told you!
Put it away!
Put it away! Stop. You are going to pay dearly for it!
It's a dream.
Hi, Shadrach. Hi. How are you?
You. What do you want?
Shadrach, I've come to ask for a second chance. Please forgive me for whatever I have done to you. Please.
Rita, there is nothing like that. We are done for good.
Shadrach, what have I done to you? What have I done to warrant this maltreatment from you? Tell me. Why are you doing this to me?
Rita, you're not supposed to be here. Please leave. I've told you that I do not want to come into my house again. I don't know how else do you want me to explain it to you that this thing we call relationship is over. I am done with it.
Fine, I will leave. But you will never set your eyes on me again. But you will definitely hear from me.
Oh, please. I'm not moved by your threats anymore. Please, leave my house. Can you imagine? The next time I see her in my house again, I'm going to deal with her. What's the meaning of all this?
Oh, fighting.
My beautiful daughter. Asawam. Tomato juice. Omalicha.
Whoa.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you, Mom.
Look at my little flower girl. Hey! You have started shining. You're shining.
Thank you, Mom.
Oh, my
Mommy,
bright girl.
why did you say they should bring something for her to eat?
Oh, don't worry. They will. She'll go downstairs later to eat.
Okay, that's perfect. At least before we go to church.
Yeah. Chief Breastmilk. How are you enjoying it?
I'm fine.
Makeup, you're not done yet.
I'm almost done.
Okay, you have to be fast about it because she's almost late for church.
Yes, Mom.
Everybody is ready. We are just waiting for you.
And Dad, where is he?
Oh, he's upstairs.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Is he dressed?
He is. Everyone is ready. We are just waiting for the bride of the day.
I'm almost done, Mom. Don't worry.
It's okay.
Congratulations, Mom.
It's okay. Let me arrange something for her to eat. We're
Perfect,
waiting.
Mom.
It's
Perfect.
okay.
Yeah. So you just do a pin-up.
Okay.
Yes.
So relax. Everything will be okay, okay?
Of course.
You look so beautiful.
I am so happy. Finally.
From the information I gathered, the wedding will be taking place this morning. I have the name of the church already. So I want you guys to go there and do a clean job. Shoot her! I will be there to confirm it. Okay? Your escape will not be a problem.
How much are you adding for this risk you want us to take?
Must everything be all about money? I paid you guys heavily. What else do you want me to do? Okay, fine. I'll top it 100k.
But I'm making 200k. I'm going to do a clean job for you.
What's that for all?
I will make it 150k. Deal or no deal?
Deal.
Thank you. Then let's see, this should be to the left, right?
Yeah, right.
Good. How do I look?
You look very awesome.
Thank you. Alright, we should be heading to the church right now.
No, sir. Call your wife. Let's know where she is now. You know women, before they prepare, do their makeup and all that.
Yes, right. They always take that time before.
Yeah.
Hello, baby. Yeah, I love you so much. Are you ready? Really? You're on your way to the church? Okay, no while. I'll be with you soon. I'm just about to leave the house. Alright, I love you. Oh God, you are wrong. My wife is on her way to the church already.
Interesting. Then we should get going.
Alright, let's go.
Hey! Oh, say hello, Divine. Hello. Say hello. Hello. Oh, I am so happy. Today is the happiest day of my life. Thank you. So do you. Come on, take a smile. Smile. I cannot wait. Yeah, finally. Driver, please. Hurry up. Just take the shot.
What happened? You're supposed to be inside the church.
The wedding is no longer taking place.
Meaning?
The bride was kidnapped on her way to the church.
By who?
We don't know. We need to leave here now. This place is not safe.
Wait. Let me enter the church and confirm things by myself.
There's no need of you going there. We were there when the chief bridesmaid came with the message. All of them were in the car with the bride.
I'm confused. Who else wants her out of the way?
What's going on here? Is this a game or what? Who could have kidnapped her?
Who is playing this game? I think Franklin is up to something. He's up to some funny game. He's no longer here. Where could he have gone to?
Honestly, I expected that by now, the kidnappers would have called to make their demands.
Do you think Chantel has a hand in this?
I wouldn't know, madam. She will be the one to prove her innocence at the police station. Because if she had listened to me when I was telling her to let go of everything, Franklin would not have pointed the accusing finger on her.
My two daughters. Eh? My two daughters. What have I done to the devil to do this to me? Both of them are important to me. Why? Why is the devil pointing at my happiness, my source of happiness?
Did I hear you call devil? Why are you apportioning any blame to the devil? Blame your daughter. You should blame your daughter, who refused to listen to her father. Look at now. But let me warn. If anything should happen to my daughter, she will go in for it.
Both of them are our daughters. Both of them are important.
What's wrong? You're crying. I'm gonna.
The picture.
What about the pictures? I can see the pictures.
The picture. Chantal was right.
How do you mean? Right about what?
The picture. I've seen the mark on his forehead. Look at it.
Mark.
Look at the mark.
What mark? What? I don't understand. What?
Mommy!
You okay?
I've missed you, yes.
Bonnie. They didn't hurt you.
No.
You're welcome.
Thank you, baby.
Okay, good afternoon.
Yes, good day.
Good day. Our team was combing a particular area after a report we got from neighborhood concerning kidnapping. And we ran into the gang group and we arrested the gang. When they were interrogated, they confessed that this lady here, Rose, contracted them to kidnap Ms. Immaculate. We brought her here because she said that she is your ex-wife.
Yes, she's my ex-wife. Why? Rose, why?
You think I'll be alive and watch you marry another woman? Never.
So why will you be angry? Huh? I'm asking you, Rose, why will you be angry? You left me. You left our marriage. You said you were tired of the marriage. You filed for divorce. Before I knew it, you left. You moved out of my house. Left me with this child when she was 8 months old. You never cared to know how your child is doing up till now. So how did I wrong you?
Hi.
I'm asking you, how did I wrong you? You left me.
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I've realized my mistakes. Please. Please, I'm sorry.
I don't want to tell you more. I'm
sorry. Please. I'm very sorry.
Officers, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your work. Thank you. I mean, to think that I arrested the wrong people, not knowing that this demon is behind this. Please lock her up, okay? Lock her up. Make sure she faces the law. Lock her up. The deepest part of your prison, lock her there.
Move!
Get out. Lock her up.
Go, move it! Move it!
I'm sorry.
Move it! My friend, come on!
Wetin I dey try yarn una be say The girl who una say then kidnap, don't come back. She's back.
The wedding girl?
Yes, the wedding girl, she's back. I want you guys to kidnap her again. And this time, I want the job to be very clean.
Certain stroke.
I don't want to hear stories this time. I don't want to hear that she escaped this time around.
Freezer! Please! Hey, hold on! Please! Any movement, I'll finish all of you! My men are... Sorry, I will blast out your head. My men are gathering here. They are surrendering all over here. So do not make a single move. You hear me? Oh yeah, move! Move it! Come on! Come on! Tell them! Come on!
Officer!
Stop it!
You people should blame me for all the fight. It shouldn't have happened if I had told my son the truth.
What truth?
The young man Shanta met in London is Frank's twin brother.
Oh my word!
Are you saying that Franklin here has a twin brother?
Things was very hard for me and my late husband when I put to bed. I contacted the doctor and told him our inability to take care of the two babies and our plans to sell one of the babies so that we can settle our bills.
I cannot believe this.
The doctor contacted a rich couple that paid us and took one of the babies. But before they took him, I gave him a mark on his forehead.
That's true. That's true. That's true. She's right. You know, Tony has this faint mark on his forehead. I totally forgot. I got carried away by the resemblance. Oh, I am sorry. I am deeply sorry. Forgive me. You know these things with love, and I just could not sit back and place it properly. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, everyone. Forgive me for all the troubles, all the wahala. I'm truly sorry.
I have never set my eyes on him again since then. But when my son was showing me pictures, I saw the mark I gave him on his forehead. I knew he is my son. He is the Tony Shanta met in London. Please, my son, I'm very sorry for hiding the truth from you. Forgive me.
I forgive you, Mother. There's no point being angry with you. To not change anything. This thing happened a long time ago. I think the most important thing right now is to find a way to bring my twin brother back here.
I think you are very correct. Yes. He has to come back.
The doctor is still alive. I believe he can lead us to the family.
Immaculate. My soul sister. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I didn't mean all this. I thought I was fighting for love. Please forgive me.
I forgive your ignorance. You're my sister after all.
Excuse me. I have to take this call. Hello. Yes, who are you? Tony. Tony, where are you? Where have you been? Yes, I'm in Nigeria. Funny enough, I found your twin brother. You two look alike. Yes. Oh, you will call back. Okay, I'll be waiting. Tony. That's Tony. Oh, he said he's going to call me back. Please.
Honey, your twin brother has been found. Just like that. Thank God. Thank God it's ended in like this cute.
Can you tell me why you are fighting? You get one mother fighting. Wow, fighting. Can you tell me the reason why you fight? You wanna fight? Battle for all, battle for love. As the sun and moon, but now blood and the same wound. Now blood flows. Something is fishing. Can't you feel it? Something is not right. Can't you see it?